You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this acronym, how to say it correctly, how it's usually said in English. If you want to learn more names from technology, stay tuned. It stands for the Internet of Things. Internet of Things, you can simply say, or IoT. Yes, indeed, it's not generally said as IOT or IOT, but rather every single letter I-O-T. IoT. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.